How to make no one can see your birthday on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your birthday on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here go down, click profile information, and go down. Here you will find your birthday. Click this pin and click this icon here and click more, and you will find here only me. Click on it and go down and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.